Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is the world's top 10 media companies. Media covers a wide variety of streams: advertising, broadcasting and networking, news, print and publication, digital recording, and motion pictures. And each has its own associated infrastructure. Media companies operate within these streams and offer products and services to end users from individuals to large organizations. This list of the top 10 global media companies provides a look into their businesses and operations. It is ranked in descending order of market cap figures. Key takeaways: the top media companies are involved in advertising, broadcasting, news, print publication, digital media, and motion pictures. The top 10 media companies include AT&T, Walt Disney, Comcast, Charter Communications, and 21st Century Fox. 21st Century Fox. The top 10 media companies also include Thomson Reuters, CBS, WPP, based in London, as well as Dish Network and Viacom. AT&T means ATT. Through its acquisition of Time Warner Inc. Incorporation in June 2018, AT&T gained these media properties: networks, Turner Broadcasting and HBO, that include local and international brands like TNT, TBS, CNN, Cartoon Network, and associated websites like CNN.com. Film entertainment, motion pictures, TV shows, and video games under the Warner Bros. Brand. Publishing, books and magazine publications, related websites. In 2015, it acquired DirecTV (DTV) and gained operations across the US and Latin America. DirecTV is a digital TV entertainment service provider via a satellite network. It is split into three segments, namely DirecTV US, DirecTV Latin America, and DirecTV Sports Networks. AT&T has a market cap as of September 2019 of $283.07 billion. Walt Disney, a large media and entertainment group with multiple subsidiaries and an international presence. Walt Disney was founded in 1923 and headquartered in Burbank, California. In November 2019, Disney is slated to launch Disney Plus, a streaming service that will offer shows and movies including vintage Disney content, original inclusive shows, and blockbusters films. Disney's 5 segments cover the following: media networks, everything within TV, radio, and cable networks and related operations; parks and resorts, theme parks, hotels, resorts, sports complex, dining and entertainment facilities, and water sports establishments. Studio entertainment, live action and animated pictures for distribution in the US through subsidiaries and worldwide through partner companies. Consumer products, licensing and relating of trade names, characters and properties, plus educational books and magazines. Interactive media produces online and mobile games and gaming consoles. It has a market cap of $245.33 billion as of September 2019. Comcast Corp. CMCSA. Established in 1963 with headquarters in Philadelphia, Comcast is one of the largest global media, entertainment, and communications companies listed on the NASDAQ. Its business is run through five segments: cable communications, video high speed internet and voice services, cable networks, broadcast television, film entertainment, theme parks. It has a market cap of $210.89 billion as of September 2019. In 2018, after a bidding war, Comcast purchased UK-based Sky, the British satellite TV, broadband, and mobile service provider, for $39 billion. Charter Communications. Charter Communications acquired Time Warner Cable in 2015, giving it a significant media presence. Time Warner Cable Incorporation has a wide portfolio of products and service. It provides video, high-speed data, and voice services in the US through its own broadband cable systems. Additionally, it also offers networking, advertising, and transport services. Navisite, a subsidiary company, offers its solutions and cloud services. Time Warner Cable was established in the year 2003. The parent company has a market cap of $94.13 billion as of September 2019. Thank you.